Hey guys, I'm Sir John, celebrity makeup artist, creative director, and KISS Lash Ambassador. And today, on my beautiful model Amanda, I'm going to show you how to use the KISS So Wispy Lashes, how to customize them if you need to, and how to use the Lash Glue Liner. So amazing, check it out. What makes these lashes so great is that the style is universally flattering for most eye shapes. It has a unique crisscross pattern, creating volume for the eyes, but with a soft, wispy finish. So what's so amazing is the fact that you see these tiny nudges or these ridges in between, and this is almost like measuring tape. So I'm gonna slightly tug, I'm not gonna pull, I won't pull, I'll slightly tug them, and this releases the band from the package. And measure for a custom fit on the eye. If the lash is too long, you can trim a few hairs from the outer end to fit your specific eye shape. I'm actually going to apply the lash using this KISS Lash Glue Liner. This is a foolproof felt tip eyeliner that doubles as lash glue. Guys, this is revolutionary, and it's great for beginners and experts alike, and dries to a matte finish. No straight line happens all at one time, so you're gonna give yourself maybe 3 to 4 small strokes.
Feels like everything is happening. I'm a queen, no cap, so I'm gonna rock.
And you're gonna go in there, chin down, and start to go and plug these babies right on top of the glue. And it's working. It's working, guys. At some point, for a pro tip, if you take a small cotton bud, one of these guys goes in, look up here, and creates an even more defined line. So guys, that is it. It's as simple as that. It doesn't get any easier than this.